Just received my package from Super ATV. It's the 4-inch GDP portals for a RZR 800. Let's see what we got. Looks like the brake rotors and hubs. Alright, on to the next box. Little calling card from Super ATV. A little thank you card with a picture on it. Some Super ATV stickers. And this looks like 2 of the actual portal gearboxes in this package. Alright, on to the next package. Another postcard and some more stickers. This has the other 2 portal boxes in it. And now the last 2 packages. This one looks like all the hardware and the brake lines. Now the last one. This package has all the brackets for the portal boxes. Well, I just got finished looking through all the packages and everything seems to be there. And I looked everything over. And overall, these look to be good quality and I'm happy with my purchase.